Federal officials are once again defending agents' actions in Columbia Heights, where they detained a 5-year-old and his father.
A top official today accusing the father of abandoning the little boy while fleeing federal agents, saying officers did everything they could to keep him here with family.
Tragically, when we approached the door of his residence, the people inside refused to take him in and open the door. Let me say it again. They saw the young boy and they refused to open the door and take him back.
Now, they are in Texas tonight, where we've learned the 2-year-old and her father were also taken yesterday. A 2-year-old and her father, separate case. Just
Separate
to be
family.
clear.
Callan Gray is here with the legal challenges that come with being moved out of state. Callan.
New tonight, I've learned the 2-year-old is safe and has been reunited with her mother, who lives here in Minnesota. Their attorney says she was flown to Texas with her father on a commercial flight just hours after they were detained, despite having active asylum claims.
Support grows for a 2-year-old child and her father detained by ICE in Minneapolis Thursday. Homeland Security telling us just after 1 p.m., Border Patrol took the father into custody after they say he was driving erratically with the child in the vehicle and had previously committed felony re-entry. They say after he was in custody, agents tried to give the child to her mother in the area, but she refused, so DHS took the child. In court documents, the family's attorney says they filed an emergency habeas petition and within 5 hours of the family being detained, asked the court for an order to prohibit them from being transferred out of Minnesota, contacting ICE attorneys as well. By 8:10 p.m., it says that was granted, but court documents say Homeland Security placed them on a plane to Texas anyway 20 minutes later. A second order soon following that the child had to be released.
Is there a legal reason for the federal government to move people out of state quickly?
Yeah, to make it harder for people to get access to counsel. This isn't a new thing. It's just an old thing on steroids.
Virgil Wiebe is a University of St. Thomas law professor. He says right now attorneys are filing habeas petitions to require the government to show good reason for why someone is detained. Jurisdiction is typically based on where the detainee is.
It's not unusual for the federal government to move people that they're trying to remove from the country to jurisdictions that are more friendly to their position in the law.
It makes it a lot harder for lawyers.
This week, the attorney for a 5-year-old and his father, now held in Texas, saying distance makes it more difficult to file and work with clients.
When they're detained, I'm at the whim of the detention facility's controls about when and how long I can talk with them.
It really does make a difference where your case gets sort of settled.
Just in the last half hour, we received a response from Homeland Security telling us the agency makes a custody determination based on bed space, going on to say detainees have access to phones to contact their families and lawyers and are given a list of free or low-cost attorneys. They say, quote, all detainees receive full due process, Lindsay.
Callan, thank you so much.